target is this must be reviewing the CG 035. Unfortunately, the night is foul. I carry the pack from the one day, but I don't try to make my presentation. So I think I'll play on the chair on a days. So it will be just boxing and tomorrow will be other. Relatively open and aware. Really. Okay, they will. Okay, this is funny. There we go. CG035. Signify GPS, fixing point, voice controller turn, simple, cradle, no idea what is this. I think it's camera angle, headless mode, not for me, 1K return, okie dokie, out following, yep, two-way transmission, 5.8, our San Matoy. Let's get him out of here. Up. So the drone is very small, very fucking small. Some plastic already pop out. This is the legs, pop guards, wow, really? Oh, Senma. 6-axis channel manual, some other here, fast master, blah blah blah, features, I hope it's not be well being translated. I mean, don't be located on the Chinglish language. Median calibration mode. Left hand shift, change it not mode. Right pointer mode. What? Power on or stop the flyer. What, man? Come on! Fly your helicopter. Okay. Gear mechanism and gyro calibration step. Looks like 6 warp clockwise rotation. Vintage on the level surface. Okay, this is understandable. Only x-axis calibration. Is this our horizontal? One more shift, switch 1, switch 0, switch 0, double mode switch, GPS, okay. How to play the camera, really? What about how to record with camera and change angle? Channel here, frequencies, box contents, auto A, B, Y, GPS. Okay, damn yo, it's little small. Let's see how this youngsters is performed. So let's proceed forward. 4 props, screwdriver, some charger. Go home, you. Come on! Are you kidding me? This camera? Oh, 2 megapixel, bad polarization. C4002 camera, and this one. No, it's not. This is C04 camera. It's a bigger, but it's the same form. So this camera not catch signal more of 100 meters. Whatever. No angle change. Must be changed by itself. It has 2 axes, I think. Interesting. Let's see more. Oh, Senma. Good. Excellent. Let's back to the USB charger is the same. Go home. I charge him to other way. Back to the battery right at the moment. What is this, man? And how to use this? Oh shit! Really? Do I miss something? Like antenna? I don't think so. Shangma, are you over? You get the fucking antenna, yo. Oh, maybe they're not. Maybe antenna is how to open this? That's Mark China manufacturers. What this? It's be cool if I found this like a spare part. It holds stable the monitor, but come on, where's my fucking antenna? Maybe it's in the box. Nope. Sorry. I pass here. I think I pass here. Yes, of course, they forget the antenna. Damn it, I use mine. I use mine antenna. Goddamn people. I wish to do it here. Is the yep. And let's see where is the internal battery. Battery is not enough. first cons. Let's see, is it work? Hello. Oh, OSD battery. Whoa, cool. They forget the stupid antenna. Oof, that Chinese. Come on, guys. Finally done with it. Okay, it's B to whatever way, this way. This is must be attached to how exactly you say? What you say? I'm interesting from the damn big battery. How this battery is joined over here? Click and the button is up. And again red in the front. Come on, guys. Whatever. Stop it. Oh no. Full battery from where is gauge battery? From here. So where is the button? Yep, there we go. Let's try. Let's check. Shut up. How to arm the bastard. The little. How to install. Foreign dictator. Blah blah blah. Winding gear. Control functions. Small settings. Calibration. On shift. Power on. Stop the fire. Power fire. Press the button which will fire. Is the left? Is it? Left? Oh! Yes! Sorry, whatever that manual. 40% Chinglish. So, easy boy. Okay, 3 seconds down. Is be element. I mean. Otherwise, oh, yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then to wait 1. Let's see if I. What the heck? Start. Not very cool. Easy. Only with GPS, without FPV. Yep, okay. Okay, tomorrow $50. I educated.
Without GPS, only that pole.
by myself. I will play.
$110.
Man, the fuck?
And
The pictures look
get
different.
160, but killing shipping, which is
Ah,
good.
fuck it.
3 days of China to East Europe. Oh, $60. And I found
Standard
in the net
FPV.
Fog model, which is with black propellers in the front.
The fuck is this?
It labeled
Not look to this way.
dual Guan's GPS systems. Uh,
The camera is really shitty.
Let's
Whatever.
that
This is it in the box.
quick wake up.
Signing out, Uncle Theo.
Good is